Have you ever felt trapped by others' expectations? It's time to break free and embrace your true self. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.
Is this okay? Maybe I should change. Why can't I just decide?
You know, the day I stopped caring what others thought was the day I started living.
Oh yeah, that's great advice. Why can't I be more like Alex?
It's time to ditch the approval seekers and embrace your truth. Join Sarah on her journey to self-discovery.
I was thinking maybe we could...
Anyone else have any ideas? No? Moving on then.
Great job, Sarah. Way to stand up for yourself.
Sarah's life was a constant performance, always seeking the applause of others. But let me tell you, that's exhausting.
Excuse me, I'm not sure where to...
Hey there, let me show you around. I remember my first day here. So that's the copy room. Pro tip, if you hear strange noises coming from there, just walk away. And over here is the break room. The coffee's terrible, but the view is great. Oh, and watch out for the vending machine on Tuesdays. It has a mind of its own.
Okay, thanks.
Little did Sarah know, this small act of kindness was the first step on her path to authenticity. Sometimes, it's the moments when we're not thinking about ourselves that we're most ourselves.
Maybe I should just be myself. No, that's crazy talk. Okay, Sarah, you've got this. Just blend in and get through the day. Why does that sound so depressing?
Oh, Sarah, if only you knew what was coming. But that's the thing about change. It often starts with a whisper before it becomes a roar. You know that moment when you realize you're tired of being someone you're not? Well, Sarah was about to have hers.
Why am I so afraid of what everyone thinks? It's not like they're living my life. Oh great, now I'm talking to myself. That's totally normal.
Sometimes inspiration comes from the most unexpected places.
I'm me, I'm free. What you see is what you get.
He looks so happy and slightly insane, but mostly happy.
And sometimes all we need is one person to believe in us.
Hey, I love your shoes. They're so cute.
Oh, thanks. I actually hate them. I only wore them because my coworker said they were in.
Well, if you hate them, why wear them? Life's too short for uncomfortable shoes, right?
You know, I've been asking myself that a lot lately. About more than just shoes.
And just like that, a friendship was born. One that would change Sarah's life.
You know what? You're right. I'm going to return these shoes, and maybe buy some purple boots I've been eyeing.
No, that's more like it. Want some company?
I don't know. This is all happening so fast. Oh god, what have I done? Actually, I kind of like it.
And so began Sarah's journey of self-discovery. It wasn't always pretty, but it was always real.
Is this too much? Who am I kidding? There's no such thing as too much me anymore. I think we should try something different. How about...
That's not how we do things here, Sarah.
I know, but hear me out. This could really work. Come on, Sarah, you've got this.
Change isn't easy, but let me tell you, it's worth it.
Well, that's certainly an interesting idea, Sarah.
Thank you, I really believe in it, and in myself.
What's gotten into her lately?
What's gotten into me? I've gotten into me. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but for the first time in forever, I feel alive.
You know that saying, be careful what you wish for? Well, Sarah was about to understand it on a whole new level.
Did you see what she's wearing today? It's like she's having a midlife crisis or something.
It's fine. This is fine. I'm fine.
Sarah, can I see you in my office?
Oh boy, here we go.
Sometimes being true to yourself feels a lot like walking into a lion's den, in really fabulous shoes.
Sarah, your recent changes are concerning. Your work is slipping, and frankly, you're disrupting the office dynamic.
But I thought my new ideas were good for the company.
Ideas are one thing, Sarah, but this is not the image we want to project.
I understand. Great, what now? Different? I'm just being myself, aren't I?
Oh, Sarah, if only being yourself came with an instruction manual.
What am I doing? Maybe this was all a huge mistake. Look how happy I was. Was I, though? No, that wasn't happiness. That was hiding. Okay, Sarah, you've come too far to go back now. Time to be unapologetically you.
Little did Sarah know her biggest challenge and her biggest triumph was just around the corner. But isn't that always the way?
Okay, Sarah, no more hiding. It's time to be you, all of you. Oh God, did I just give myself a pep talk out loud?
So here we are, the moment of truth. You know that feeling when you're about to jump off a cliff into water? That's Sarah right now. Exhilarating, terrifying, and absolutely necessary.
Is that Sarah?
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're ready for an interesting meeting. I know I am.
Now, I'd love to tell you everyone immediately loved the new Sarah, but let's be real. Change is scary, especially for others. It's like showing up to a black tie event in a Technicolor Dreamcoat.
Sarah, are you sure you want to lead this presentation?
I've never been more sure of anything in my life. Well, except maybe my decision to finally try that weird fusion restaurant down the street. That was life-changing. We've been doing things the same way for years. But what if we tried this instead? Imagine our brand as a person at a party. Right now, we're the wallflower. But with this approach, we become the life of the party. Authentic, engaging, and impossible to ignore.
That's actually brilliant. And why do I suddenly want to go to a party?
I have to admit, Sarah, this is impressive. It's like you've tapped into a whole new energy.
See that? That's the power of authenticity, folks. It's like a superpower, but better. No cape required, though Sarah could totally rock one if she wanted to.
I did it. I really did it. And the world didn't end. Huh. Hey, it's me. I know things have been weird, but can we talk? I promise I won't try to convince you to dye your hair pink. Unless you want to. You remembered. You're on. And hey, don't knock it till you've tried it. Day 47 of being unapologetically me. I wore mismatched socks to a client meeting. The world kept spinning. Who knew making a bowl could be so messy? And so fun!
Hey, where did you get the courage to be so you?
I just decided the real me was worth knowing. And you know what? The real you is worth knowing too.
Sarah, these paintings are amazing. I can't believe you did these.
Thanks. It feels good to finally share them. Even if that one does look a bit like a confused flamingo. You know, it wasn't easy. There were days I wanted to hide under my bed with a tub of ice cream. But being me, it's the best decision I ever made. Well, that and trying the pineapple anchovy pizza. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Embrace your truth and let your authentic self shine. Even if your authentic self likes questionable pizza toppings.
And there you have it, folks. Sarah's journey. But more importantly, maybe the start of yours. So go ahead, take that leap. The water's fine, and hey, you might even make a splash.